With a Squarespace site, you can sell everything from t-shirts to photography sessions to virtual yoga classes. Whether you're just starting out or have been selling online for years, this video guide can help you take the next steps in earning income with your site. You can create a store on your site to offer various product types such as custom print-on-demand merchandise, download products, gift cards, physical products, and service products. Stores work best for products and services that don't need an appointment to complete your transaction. You can use your store to sell in person and online while keeping your inventory consistently updated. To increase sales, connect your store to Facebook and Instagram so you can reach your customers as they scroll social media. You can create a store on any Squarespace site by adding a store page and choosing a website plan that supports commerce. If you're not sure if a store is right for your site, review the Online Sellers Club in our Squarespace forum to learn how others are using their online stores. You can use digital products to create recurring revenue by selling access to your site's exclusive content. When you build a blog page, course page, video page, or member site, you can place the page's content behind a paywall. Then visitors sign up for a pricing plan to access the content. You can charge a fixed amount, a recurring subscription fee, or offer the content for free after the visitor creates an account. Acuity scheduling helps your clients conveniently book online. This enables you to offer appointments or classes that happen at a specific time. You can accept payment for an appointment when the client books, or hold their card to charge later. Acuity scheduling also allows you to send appointment reminders and collect intake forms ahead of bookings. Be sure to review our Acuity scheduling page for more inspiration. You can use Squarespace to showcase your work, generate leads, manage projects, track revenue and key milestones, as well as collect payments from clients. This is a great option if you sell custom artwork or ongoing services tailored to clients like web design, event photography, or consultation. You can send invoices and manage projects on any Squarespace plan. Even if you don't sell products or services, you can monetize other aspects of your Squarespace site. For example, you can ask for donations for your cause using a donations block. Sell tickets to events using Talk or Eventbrite, then promote those events on an events page. Sell on Amazon or join their associates program using an Amazon block to promote a product. Or use a third-party service to create ads on your site. After your site is all set up to start earning money, consider these next steps: SEO, engaging your audience, and other options to increase your site's sales. Find new customers and encourage them to keep coming back with Squarespace's marketing tools and analytics. Manage your customers and learn their spending patterns to promote future sales. Your site can accommodate your business as it expands. Use one or two of our selling tools to start and add more as you need them. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.